In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export query results from Google BigQuery to a CSV file. This demonstration will take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Cloud Console. Once the search results pop up, click on the appropriate link to open the Google Cloud Console homepage. Navigating your way through Google's interface can feel a bit overwhelming, but this step is straightforward. Upon landing on the Google Cloud Console, direct your attention to the navigation bar on the left. From here, go to the BigQuery page. Once the BigQuery dashboard loads, you will see the Explorer pane on the extreme left of your screen. Here's where you'll need to select your project, and under that, choose the dataset you are working with. Make sure you take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct dataset. Accuracy at this stage is crucial to ensuring the data exported is exactly what you need. Next, it's time to run a SQL query. You'll want to open a new SQL query tab, which you can usually do by clicking on the Compose Query button. Type or paste in your Google SQL query. This is the command that tells BigQuery exactly what data you are looking for. Once you have your query in place, go ahead and click the Run button. You should see your results displayed shortly thereafter. The speed of execution can vary depending on the complexity of your query and the size of the data. After your query results are visible, the next step is to save these results. Click on the Save Results button you'll find above the query result window, and from the drop-down menu, select Cloud Storage. This is where your export process begins in earnest. The Export to Google Cloud Storage dialog will open, requiring you to specify certain details. You'll need to enter the Google Cloud Storage bucket name where you want the CSV to be saved. Optionally, you can designate a folder within the bucket, as well as specify a file name for your CSV file. Clear, descriptive file names can be a lifesaver when organizing your data, so choose wisely. With these settings configured, make sure to select CSV as the export format. CSV is a widely used format and is compatible with most data processing tools, making it an excellent choice. Additionally, you can decide on a compression format for your file. Options such as gzip help reduce the file size, which is particularly helpful if your dataset is large. However, if size isn't an issue, opting for none might be more straightforward to manage later. Finally, click on Save to start the export. If everything has been set correctly, your data should now be exporting seamlessly from BigQuery to your specified Google Cloud Storage location. Watch for any confirmation prompts or notifications indicating the success of your export. And there you have it. A simple, effective method to export query results from Google BigQuery to a CSV.